providing other little elements, or not little elements, other elements are established, then genocide is proved. And the other elements are that it has to be an intention to destroy by the act of interfering with birth, a shorthand form, to destroy a group. Uyghurs are a group, and a part of that at least. And the evidence was that a significant proportion of Uyghurs who would have been born will not be born.
You mentioned the diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Olympic Games. Will you now be seeking a full sporting boycott of the Games as well?
I have to do another interview. I'm just going to quickly come to Baroness Helena Kennedy to wrap this up for us. Thank you.
Crimes against humanity and genocide. Now, what's the process from here?
We really have to have our government take a stand on this. The evidence is clear. The evidence is absolutely there for anyone to see the gravity of what is being alleged here. And I really urge everybody who is concerned with justice in the world, concerned about the ways in which we do our business with the world, it's really imperative that we call upon our government to act now.
Investment into UK universities and particularly educational institutes.
This finding has been made whilst the genocide continues, whilst there is still a very, very real risk of even mass killings being perpetrated, but certainly of a large portion of Uyghurs remaining unborn. And so there is still time to prevent, there is still time for governments and civil society to try to step in.